If you saw our recent video where we went to watch the England versus Norway game of the World Cup quarterfinals, that was on our 34th anniversary. So instead of going out for a nice dinner, we spent several hours in the middle of the night in a pub watching England win that very exciting game. But now we're in London a couple days later, and we're finally having a proper nice dinner for our anniversary. So come along with us as we discover this new, fun, interesting, and hopefully delicious restaurant in London called Idalia. This restaurant is in a place called Pillar Hall, which is a grade 2 listed building that has been recently refurbished. This restaurant is relatively new, and the head chefs are Samantha Williams and Lorena Tomasi. They specialize in cooking their favorite and finest British foods, as well as other European and Asian favorites that they put their own special twist on. Here's Ian to tell you a little bit more about the building.
Olympia is a special events venue that was built originally in the 19th century and was expanded and changed many times during the 20th century, and has just gone through a £1.5 billion, I believe, renovation. And so it's a beautiful place now.
So this is what the upstairs at Pillar Hall is going to look like eventually, but it is still under construction. It's going to have this amazing stage and live event space. Ian is explaining to me that this venue that we're at, the Olympia, is a big concert venue where huge bands like the Rolling Stones and Jimi Hendrix and The Cure have all played back in the day, which is why here in the restaurant we see artwork of Jimmy and Robert Smith on the walls. And The Who. Oh, and I just turned a corner and saw that there's Freddie Mercury here as well. So I guess Queen also performed at this venue. If you ever saw any concerts at Olympia in London, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. This really is a special setting, and I'm kind of obsessed with the ceiling, which has just this amazing carvings on it, and then a really peculiar but fascinating painting and decorating approach. These mannequins in the window are cracking me up. They seated us at this cozy little table here, right next to this gigantic bottle of wine. Underneath this fake apple tree is this cool case, which is the cake of the day. Because Wimbledon just ended yesterday, they are still featuring the special cake, which is in the shape of tennis balls, and then it has little tennis rackets on the side. Isn't that clever? There is a set menu here, and for London, we just feel like this is really reasonably priced. You can get 2 courses for £29 or 3 courses for £34, and they have some really delicious options to choose from. Ian is going to do this, a 3-course set menu. And I am going to be difficult and not do the set menu, because when I saw on the a la carte menu that they had lobster linguine, I really love lobster and I never get to eat it, so I can't resist. It's my anniversary. I'm splurging. Ian's crab salad has arrived, and look at this. It's in like a gold seashell. And it's got the crab salad, and then on the top some fresh coconut and a little flour. Looks delicious. The crab salad is made with mango, chili, ginger, coriander, and shaved fresh coconut. This is Ian's salmon. Oh my goodness, the sauce is just a work of art. I love the decoration that they've done with it. I'm sure that will be very tasty as well as healthy. And here is my lobster linguine, which has a wonderful tomato sauce, and then it's in the shell of a lobster. So I've never seen anything quite like it, but I can't wait to taste it. I know you're all dying to know. Yes, Ian decided to get the apple crumble for dessert. And I could not resist the novelty of ordering the Wimbledon special, the yuzu compote and mango gel set under a crisp white chocolate shell, finished with a golden glaze and sugar paste tennis racket. Ian got custard with his apple crumble, and this is unlike any apple crumble we have ever seen before. That's a flower, and then there's all kinds of foliage of some sort here on top of what looks like some dried apple slices, and underneath it I assume is normal apple crumble. Oh, but what a darling little Dutch oven pot it comes in. Ian is now dismantling his crumble. Let's see how it looks from here. Okay, there is actually apple crumble underneath it all. Oh wow, the detail on this tennis ball is amazing. They really did make it look like a tennis ball. It's got a little daisy on that side, and then the little tennis racket there. That is amazing looking. Okay, now we need to see what it looks like in the middle. Oh man, that is absolutely delicious. The mousse is so fresh and flavorful, just amazing. Not sure we would have ordered 2 desserts if we had known they were going to give us this happy anniversary creation, but it looks to be a huge cloud of candy floss, as they call it in this country, and I don't know what this is. Oh, I thought it was a meringue. It's actually cold. Maybe it's ice cream. Anyway, it's beautiful and very sweet, and kind of fun that the flowers are magenta. Okay, we just discovered where the rowdy part of Olympia is. It is so noisy here. There's like a rooftop bar up there, which is clearly heaving with people. So this whole complex, the Olympia complex, is actually in West Kensington, not far from Shepherd's Bush. So what did you think of it, Ian?
I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the crab salad with the mango and the fresh coconut in it. It was delicious. I also surprisingly enjoyed the Wimbledon tennis ball. It was good.
Yes. My favorite part of the whole meal was the lobster on the lobster linguine. That was fabulous. And I also liked the Wimbledon tennis ball dessert. The yuzu mousse that was inside that tennis ball dessert was just so light and fluffy and refreshing and tangy, and it was
good.
Unusually scrumptious.
And they also acknowledged our anniversary with some cotton candy dessert.
Yes.
So that was
the
nice.
Service was really great.
The service was great.
And it was a beautiful location.
Yeah, they constantly asked, us how we were doing and whether we were enjoying our food, which was really nice.
And so I would go back there again.
I would definitely go back there again.
I would recommend.
It's a beautiful place too. The ambiance is really nice.
You can check out some other amazing places we love in London here. But thanks so much for watching this video, and do something good in the world today.